This is all about the Connect FileMaker to Stripe course. We're going to cover a lot of ground. Maybe you've heard of Stripe before, one of the largest payment processing companies, right up there with other merchant service accounts. And it is a very simple way for people to set up payment processing with their online store, or even now FileMaker, lots of different opportunities for processing payments. And we want to make it so that it's seamless with FileMaker. It just works and all behind the scenes, and they don't even know that it's there. So we're going to go over a little bit about Stripe, who they are and what they do. And then we're going to go over a lot of the API fundamentals, at least how it pertains to connecting with Stripe. This is kind of building on our previous course of the data API with FileMaker, if you've seen that one. This one is more specific to Stripe, where we're connecting with FileMaker and moving to Stripe and back and forth. All about CRUD, being able to create and read and update and delete. So we're going to go through each of those processes. And then, of course, the ultimate goal of being able to process a charge with one click right from FileMaker and do it all in a seamless fashion. So it's very exciting, very fun. We have a sample file that you'll want to download and see how well it will integrate in your solution, or use some of the examples that are given there for scripting and layout purposes. We're very excited about this course because of the popularity of APIs and Stripe specifically. This will get you up and running. If you know nothing at all, you'll be able to start right at the beginning, and by the end of the course, you will know exactly how to connect FileMaker to Stripe. So we're excited, and we will see you on the inside.